Welcome to Tat Sat. Today, we unravel one of the most profound stories of unwavering faith and divine intervention from the Bhagavad Puran, the tale of Prahlada and the Narasimha Avatara. This is a story of a child's unshakable devotion to Lord Vishnu, his defiance of tyranny, and the miraculous appearance of Narasimha, the half-lion, half-man incarnation of the divine. Hiranyakashipu, the mighty Asura king, performed severe penance and was granted a boon by Lord Brahma. The boon made him nearly invincible. He could not be killed by man or beast, inside or outside, during day or night, on earth or in the sky, or by any weapon. With this power, he declared himself the supreme ruler of the universe and forbade the worship of Lord Vishnu. But little did he know, his own son Prahlada would defy him. Prahlada, despite being born to an Asura, was a staunch devotee of Lord Vishnu. He saw the divine everywhere and remained unshaken in his faith. When asked by his father, "Who is the greatest of all?" Prahlada fearlessly replied, "Lord Vishnu is the ultimate protector and the true supreme being." This enraged Hiranyakashipu, who tried to punish Prahlada but failed every time. Determined to break Prahlada's faith, Hiranyakashipu subjected him to unimaginable trials. He ordered Prahlada to be thrown into fire, crushed under an elephant, and fed poisoned food. But each time, Prahlada emerged unscathed, protected by Lord Vishnu's grace. The Bhagavata Purana beautifully narrates, "Yatra yatra smarantyasya bhagwan nam sakshat sadyah satatra vartate hi swayameva chetah." Wherever his name is remembered, Lord Vishnu himself manifests to protect. In his fury, Hiranyakashipu mocked Prahlada and asked, "If your Vishnu is everywhere, is he present in this pillar too?" Prahlada calmly replied, "Yes, he is." Enraged, Hiranyakashipu struck the pillar with his mace, and in that moment, the air filled with a thunderous roar as the pillar cracked open. From the pillar emerged Narasimha, the fiercest incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Neither man nor beast, he roared with divine power. The Bhagavata Purana describes, "Nrisingham bhishanam drishtva hyadharam gaganam sprisham adbhutam roopamudvikshya hiranyakashipuh kritah." Hiranyakashipu saw a terrifying form touching both earth and sky, an extraordinary sight that struck terror in his heart. Narasimha fulfilled every condition of the boon. At twilight, on the threshold of the palace, he placed Hiranyakashipu on his lap and tore him apart with his claws. Neither a weapon, nor man, nor beast. After slaying Hiranyakashipu, Narasimha's fury was uncontainable until Prahlada's devotion calmed him. The Lord embraced Prahlada and blessed him, saying, "You shall reign with dharma and devotion, bringing prosperity to the world." The Bhagavata Purana beautifully conveys how Prahlada's unwavering faith triumphed over darkness. This timeless story from the Bhagavata Purana teaches us the power of unwavering devotion and the omnipresence of the divine. No matter how dire the circumstances, faith and righteousness always prevail. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to Tat Sat for more timeless stories from the Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas. Aum Tat Sat.